Hey guys, what up? It's your boy, NS Gaming 129 here, back at again with another video. I know I changed my name. It used to be Nicky Stolz, now it's NS Gaming 129. So you're on Ratchet Clank Part 7, I believe, guys. And last time. Last time we were doing the hoverboard races, and yeah, we met up with Ford. Or no, we didn't meet up with Ford. Sorry, Ford gave us a prize. So before we finish, actually, you know what? We're gonna finish off. You guys are enjoying yourselves. I know it's tough on you. And look, I saved up my bullets. Up my bullets. Hope this frame rate's okay. I have a 1080p. Going on 1080p. Oh shit. Not up to standards, if you were saying. And this is really good, guys, because because certain things. Okay, so sorry, I don't know if you guys can hear my mic. Turn it up a little bit. The game audio, I'll turn it down a little bit for you guys. I really do apologize for that. So hydronator in there. This is a test video, just to test out my new equipment and stuff. So I really apologize if I'm rusty at the software, but I've looked up a bunch of videos on how to use it. So this is a disclaimer for you guys. But I hope you guys have been enjoying your quarantine and stuff. I've been trying to make content for you guys as much as possible. I've been trying to do this for a while. I got the Elgato capture card maybe about two weeks ago. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. I really do. I really apologize about the noise. I just got a workout thing. So I apologize for this if I'm standing around. This took a lot to do, by the way, guys. I do apologize. I'll probably edit those little things out. But yeah, if I could go back and film the rest of the episodes, I would. But from now on, I promise you, on my PS3 videos, I will have good content. Excuse me. I do apologize for the quality on the retro games, because there's certain ones I want to play, and I can't, so But guys, I remember I got good feedback on the PS4 Ratchet Clank, and you know what I thought? I thought, you know what, might as well play the original, where it started it all. And, if you haven't played these games are amazing. I hope you guys check them out if you haven't played them. To me, this one right here on the PS2, I know the PS4 looks better than this game, but to me, the PS4 is a good game. Ratchet Clank PS4 is a good game, but it's not as good as this right here, the original. To me, they have like better weapons and stuff, newer like strafing, but this game so dear to my heart, it's a classic. I grew up on this game, and I hope, you know. So my screen is big, my TV, and I know you can't really see the water, the side of the water. I don't know, it's weird. Hold on, guys. Camera. No, not camera. What is it? Text on. Subtitles. I can't really change it. Sorry about that, guys. This is the way we gotta deal with it. It irritates me too. It's on my big TV. I'm sorry I'm rambling a lot. It's if you guys don't like the commentary, just let me know, and I will just post the gameplay without them. If you guys just want to hear the game and not me talk, then let me know, because I will, you know, I try to respect my fans. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh, no, I don't like this part. This one, we gotta be careful on this part, because you could die. Oh. Usually I F up on that part. This is at 30 frames, by the way. It's looking like it's holding up for you guys. I'm just saying it looks way different on my
press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it!
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million volts!
You've got it all wrong!
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 volts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
Oh, you dickhead. Oh, you know what?
You see how it works. You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet Clank, Captain. You know, from the hub.
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this.
He's totally like...
What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero?
It.
Is it strength, compassion,
I don't know the
determination,
word, but he's
or
like
just pure blind luck?
As you would
Wise
say
men
in
through the ages
the
have struggled
interview.
with that very question.
He's totally
But
hyping up
Captain
Ratchet.
Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraption? Can you quickly Oh! Just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Captain Ratchet. You can tell Ratchet's like such a fanboy, you know what I mean? But like you can just tell he's such a fanboy.